Top stories. CID Special Bureau Inspector suspended over death of Police Constable Mohammed Manjur Ahmed. Voters seeks views on strong and trustworthy political parties in fray for Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. And Monica murder case cracked. Claim police man accused to be charge-sheeted. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA, presenting today's news. And now let's have the news in details. One inspector of CID Special Bureau has been placed under suspension in Manipur in connection with the alleged custodial death of a police constable in the joint interrogation cell. Mohammed Manjur Ahmed died in police custody during interrogation of the escape made by KCP leader T.H. Nando from Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, JNIMS, on 26 of March. Inspector T. Sana Tombi has been suspended in connection with the case, officials said today. Nando, the commander of the Ben Kangleipak Communist Party, KCP, is one of the men accused in the infamous rape and murder of Luningla Elizabeth. Nando is still absconding, is wanted by Manipur police, and a reward of ₹1 lakh has been announced to anyone who can provide information leading to his arrest. The Manipur Home Department has also ordered a magisterial inquiry into the death of Mohammed Manjur Ahmed. The inquiry report has to be submitted within the month, the order mentioned. Thoubal police has claimed to have cracked the Monica killing case. They are set to charge-sheet the man accused in the case. Leisangthem Asakumar Elias Kanta is 24 years, son of El Ningthem of Leirongthel Makhalekai, in connection with the brutal murder of Ensemba Monica, is 16 years, daughter Wai Nanau, who was found dead in Ngamu Leirao Thongba Canal at Leirongthel of Thoubal district on 25th of this month. A charge sheet will be filed against Asakumar shortly. Thoubal District Police Superintendent of Police Sandip Gopal Das Mahule has appealed to the Monica Joint Action Committee, JAC, and her family to claim the body of Monica and perform her last rites. In a press meet held at the Office of Superintendent of Police, Thoubal, Sandip Gopal Das IPS stated that after a thorough investigation and interrogation, Asakumar confessed to the crime. The SP also lauded the contribution made by local clubs and Mera Paibi organization in the efforts made by police in solving the case and appeal to the public to help the police in future as well. In a major boost to Manipur BJP ahead of 17 Lok Sabha polls, altogether 32 individuals have joined the Saffron Party. They include 14 Gram Panchayat ward members of Jiribam, former president of Hengang Block Congress Committee C.S. Nandalal Angomcha, president of Khundrakpam Block Congress Committee N.G. Ibohol Singh, secretary of Khurai Block Congress Committee Y. Ranjit, general secretary of Khurai Block Congress Committee Leisemba Thongam, ex-candidate of Indian National Congress Chungjal and Haukip, Up-Pradhan T.H. Ranabir, Corporator of Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward Number 1, T.H. Purnachandra, Corporator of Imphal Ward Number 10, Salam Tiken Singh, and 10 active members of Jiribam Congress Bloc. One active member of HPCD LK Group, a faction of Mar People's Democratic Convention, HPCD, was arrested by a team of commando at ICI campus, Sasat Avenue, New Chekon in the wee hours today. Police identified the arrested as Phimrothang Mar, alias Boya, as 27 years, son of Lalropiang Mar of Saidan Village, Churachandpur, presently staying at New Chekon Sasat Avenue. He was arrested around 3:30 am, police said. Phimrothang Mar is involved in transportation of arms and ammunition from place to place, providing shelter, recruiting cadres of the outfit on the advice of one Lalkham Mar, alias LK of HPCD LK Group. He was also involved in extortion of large amount of money from government offices, private firms and general public from Imphal and Churachandpur areas. 2 mobile phones and 1 white SUV Creta bearing registration number MN07D2998 were recovered from him. The arrested individuals and the seized item have been handed over to PRT police station for further necessary legal action. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Lamjingba jewelry na adom gidamak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikhoigi service singdi inat kyoiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi name na lawjari. Nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbajewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Advanced booking for events, conferences and party, 50+ covers. Aris Tower since 2002. Kindly contact us at 9612719966. Address Uripokhuidrom Leka, UK Road, opposite petrol pump.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Tamna Station 1 Abhishek Tamna team international globally akogi local ki kalakar singshina international level da shakpa ngamba yam le rambagi wana warshu wana sacrifice tawnoraga this section shi potopuri pot amani
Hariba Tamna Season 1 here on Hariba project asida iramda masigi kalakar singchina national and international level da achoba gateway ma oiragani habisigi achoba thaja magan noina na
Tamna Season 1 agi one of my dream project ni project 2014 ni angan sarutagi aina concept tawjarkiba develop tawjarkibani ai loina bi ai family anu tonga tonga farm singna project si bono hanamda mateng sang pambiri.
Section 1 sida shaklibak isi platform si akwai gi Manipur to leba kalaka singi yam chaukraba putong yam chakraba platform amma putok people wan
artist singna amadi nata na akwai gi London sigi lungsi jarba isai ko pamjaba isai da ngawjaba sina punamuna tamna season 1 sibu Sobat view harus.
Project asina platform oraga lamdam sida leiba tongan ba artist sing na national amadi international gi thakta lakpada soidram gi achobo gateway morgani aduga jeriba achobo manglan singda masina soidram ki mateng pangani habadu ai thajabe.
Welcome back. Several people have shared their view and opinions on strong and trustworthy political parties and candidates contesting the scheduled Lok Sabha polls in Manipur to be held in 2 phases.
Tom TV met with people from different walks of life to sketch their views and opinions on political parties and candidates of their choice in the ensuing Lok Sabha polls, which are to be held in Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency on April 11 and April 18 respectively. Tom TV first met women vendors of Imakaitel and shopkeepers of Karaman Bazaar. They presented their opinions to Tom TV on who will come out victorious, who will be voted, and why should they be voted in this electoral fight, and what are the works they expect from the representatives to be elected. Let's hear from them.
BJP na pai do Congress supai kre adubune BJP na pai bene BJP kharching nadra mana sarkar pai bene thak thak kaidna do BJP moina pai di moina thaklam ka thok khadi
tegumba bi moina ka ta di Manipur gi lamta kari kai to ningi
sakwa tawrang ahen ba dum to honingi ana Congress na pai BJP gi moina ngal pa to pam
candidate ka ba gi wakhan je thodo na khandre ko pam badin dara pame ma achum da chala ninge bana radi
soidana narada thada birane
nadara thada ni
kari gi no
ma de kai gi no ha badane parliament changa ga wangang ba ko pa loina mak samana ngangam da ko do man ba adu iduna ma achum tam ti ka haning ba ma je kuire rajniti tawrai che ko adu akoi na outside gi ne thaba matam da di ma che ko na pam je ba hele ba ma na kara ga di ko ye Manipur gi apha khara thaba khara di taro kadra ne di khali ba
JP na budi pali ai gi wakhan ni ado pan bana di ka haningi ma di
adu targa di BJP gi mirep ta vote thada ni
oi adu khalli asa da wi
kari gi no BJP da thada ni gi maram se maram se
o kano taw bani na sum pan bani saka pan bani na mu kano taw raga di pan basina sum semba pharoi dra na khan bai wani da o mayang gi kano taw ba khoi na wari ba kholi ba se taw haningi huji tawri ba kholi ba mayam cheng chak tangi ba andagi gas lobra tangi ba kholi ba se asi kano taw haningi adu taw draga di khoi mathang da di mu hongge na khalli
agi mota di ne cheng na haira ba da ne nara na ne chongthok chongsin tawte a cheng ba ni koi dia
mai mot nara haira nara da soidana vote thada birane
vote pige na khalle ma
kari gi no mon da thada ni gi
haiba di mangon da vote pining chi de kai no haiba da ma chongthok chongsin tawte adu ma thakta praja gi damakta ai sum leptana horakpa mai dondagi ai yandana leireba ko
mota di congress ki sarkar se amuk yam tu na halakadra ai ai halakane na choi choi da ai gi thaja batam jai ai di congress ta pigani
no maroi na congress pamis
congress se ma na hujik le pi ba sing jidagi ma na mati icha cha bra ni khalli handa UP da neta thagalak pada Rahul Gandhi lak pada tilli ba miyam du yengo Modi lak pa matam da du mai na kaisu tin ki da bra na khalli aduna ai di congress sarkar se yam pam
ai mota di independent jo phajai kai khuje adu ai mota independent je khaga da male
isagi mota isadi karamba dol da vote thada gi na khanbi
ai sai mota di independent pige lai
kari gi no independence mere pambiri se
uji ki laiba situation je Congress su BJP ju moina tawraiba thaba mayam je kya pam daba oiba adugi che chigi tawba ya ba thaba khara tawrakani ne khale aduga tawhonimba kya su aduma pangthorkani khale
ai BJP da dum pire gen khale
yang kana pamu de wafon suna te da sum kanu sigi tawin akoi gi sem na dum oi banina magi kendra ni na mana le wafon ni na magi dum support taw ga magi dum pining bai wan adu ri sothari ba tawri ba mayam da gi kanu ni ko ni tawri ba mayam se sugum ba sing je khara dum sengdo ni tawani.
The United Committee Manipur UCM has deeply condoled the untimely demise of Alhas Abdul Halim Chowdhury, retired IS. He died at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Jenims, Imphal following a personal illness. The committee held a condolence meeting on his death at its office Lumphill, a release said today. The meeting, presided over by UCM President Sunil Karam, also reflected on responsibilities which were taken by late Halim for the state. His death has left an eternal void, the UCM release said. Canon Image Square today organized a one-day workshop on Canon at Classic Hotel Imphal. Elaborating on the workshop, Canon Image Square proprietor Indra Okram stated that the workshop aims to impart better knowledge to native photographer with the presence of Canon officials Mentor Anup Gwas, who also held interaction with the photographers as part of program.
Launch camera US RP feature photography knowledge mentor Canon insight like mentors camera feature program.
A friendly volleyball match was played between 43 Assam Rifles Mori and 50th Battalion of Myanmar Army, Tamu and KLP campus ground this morning. 50th Battalion Myanmar Army Commandant Tin Tun Lin and Commandant of 43 Air Mori Sumit Sutka opened the match. They encouraged the participants to play the friendly match in the spirit to build a better relationship between the two countries. 43 Assam Rifles Mori defeated Myanmar Army in the match. Later, the two commandants distributed prizes to the player. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, AMSO, has condemned the death of Muhammad Manjur Ahmad of Yaripok in the custody of Manipur police and demand justice. In a release, AMSO has stated that they will support the protest by the Joint Action Committee, JAC. AMSO urged that all culprits in the killing should be punished severely. They urged the public to stand united, irrespective of caste and creed, against those who stand against the law. It added that we must all come out together so that the guilty police personnel and officers are punished. Locals today held a sit-in Yaripok, Santitan Bazaar protesting against the death of Constable Muhammad Manjur Ahmad during interrogation by Manipur police over by the case of KCP leader Thokchom Nandu, who met escape from Ortho Ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Jenims, Imphal on 26th of March. Police suspect Muhammad Manjur Ahmad was involved in freeing Nandu from the hospital where he was undergoing treatment. The sit-in protest was organized by the Joint Action Committee, JAC, seeking justice in the killing of Muhammad Manjur Ahmad. The demonstrator held placards which read, "Deliver justice in the killing within 24 hours. We condemn the killing in strongest terms and all police personnel involved in the killing must be punished." Meanwhile, the All Manipur Muslim Student Organization, AMSO, has said the organization takes serious note over the alleged custodial death of Muhammad Manjur Ahmad and pleased to back the JAC in the agitation. Kwai Nung Seng Group organized a press meet at the Manipur Press Club today, in which the president of the organization, Ten Subam Leisemba, stated that in order to elect the right candidates in the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha polls, political debates will be held. Debate for the outer constituency will be conducted on 4th of next month, starting from 6 in the evening at Khongzom Bazaar, and for the inner constituency, the debate will be held on 7th of next month at Palace Compound.
Inner Manipuri Parliamentary Lok Sabha election political debate convention asida Manipur Yam Sina Hairo Kamani Kujo Kusu Punman God asida lakiduna lakadoriba Lok Sabha election asida sanction baba yangda takathopa ngamba asumba purakadaba political dharma parliament da thabagi khudongchaba sida miyamgi oiba ware pusung wakhulon do lomnenaba miyamgi khunda anusubitan makidigi.
He further stated that candidates from both outer and inner constituencies will take part and interact with the public during the debates. Laysemba also appealed to the people to come and take part in the debates and share their viewpoints. A novel called Loyumba, written by Sonia Kundrakpam, was released at the Manipur Hindi Parishad, hall located at Old Assembly Road, Imphal, this afternoon. The book release function was attended by convener of Manipur Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, President of the Cultural Forum Manipur, Professor Nomaitem Kiran Kumar, and Dr. Sarat Chandra Longjamba as the chief guest of honor and president respectively. As a part of the strict security measures taken up by the Thawal District Police ahead of the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election, illicit foreign liquor worth around ₹5,000 were seized from a vehicle during frisking conducted by a police team on vehicles coming from Mori to Imphal. Managing Director of RK Fortune Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, distributed gym kits to the volunteers of Taubungkok Progressive Youth Pioneer Association, TPYPA, Taubungkok Mayai Lekai, with the primary objective to cultivate a sports culture among the young generation and make a stronger society. On the occasion, RK Rameshwar said that the kits were distributed to encourage involvement by the younger generation in sports and building a healthy society and ensuring a new motivation today.
Gossip tauba amasung nisha saba asugumba mayamasi control taubang ngamnam gitamangta sanabung amasung sanabagi gymgi masak sanabagi atmosphere makak naharon sigi marakta piduna asugumba gymgi masak sing se khara pibsina akogi sanabagi atmosphere na pibaga loina naharon singda tunglam chata masa mau phaba aphaba wakan khanba amasung akogi leibak sigi future da na tingjang kangjang daba naha ke ama puthokpada mateng oibang khara da su ngamnabagi damakta ehangna ngasi tabukok melekai gi naharon singda akogi gym gi polam sing asi ehangna khudon tokjabani.
General Secretary of TPYPA, Rigan Tokpam, lauded RK Rameshwar for his efforts towards betterment of the younger generation.
Yumpham haiba wafam jina yumpham weraga koigi mingoi na Punjab Yambung Rameshwarna sumaina club ki damakta haidi lekai khudingi magi gym gi natragana sana khonabagi pitharak pai program gi kasatharak poina gym amadi koigi si sanabagi badminton court pu haire natragana sigi football sanabagi lebak thonbiu haire mana duki matik tore sigi damakta yamtina horauje haidi hojikan gi youth nisapa sa sabada focus tauba haidi aduna koigi society jema degrade to gibtagi mana smai toraga sana khonabagi gym gi amadi badminton gi smai court pibir pusna koida hena saukhatpa amadi naha jingje amuhena sungubagi lamjida hena aware pagi masa amada yamtina mating pang habje si matang haijage.
The volunteers of Go Green Group planted 3 saplings at Chairauching, Thangwiban to add efforts in solving the problem of climate change.
Environment amadi social myam global warming is myam tholopasin akoi khara khatang oisu kan mangam na koi chirau singi masai gol si dai da koi u cha sam koi thajabani sumba koi u cha thaba che koi makhata na mu cha thajagani ado koi ngrang sport yeng balak charam da di koi somna camera lo yu somda koi ngrang samping saw ne dong asi di koi un da o na koi langmai thado ma se koi laibak thibani ado matung da haiba koi asumna laibak thiba thaudo si thokna ba koi langmai thabi ba sin housing na su ka section bina ba na nising jari.
Convener of Ukal Mutuk Nganbe has urged the government of Manipur to look into the matter pertaining to deforestation and jum cultivation practices witnessing around Kongba Maruleifam Lane, which is a reserve forest area and a significant sacred place of Meitei. In this regard, a press meet was held at Press Club in Imphal today. Mutum Nganbe further said that IPA Konglau Tol Lautiva at Kongba Maru Laifam Lane is worshipped every year on the first Sunday of Sajibu month. The event starts from 4 a.m. of 7th of March. He urged the people not to bring or use any kind of intoxication on the occasion.
Handak sahi ki oina laifam se khurambagi sing kaba si April ki tang 8 nongmaijing numit ki pung 3 dagi khoi hogani laiba punamangna mayai kaba sinjak khoi yu aduga tongan mayai kaba sinjak amata pusalaga mafamsida lakpiganu aduna maduda kanagomba singna khoi ki tawroidaba amata tawsan bidanaba ukalgi maigai dagi kongmaru laifam len sengot sagat peluki amasung ukalgi mahut sinjaraga ina thamjari aduga atopa poilamadana kongmaru gi laifam len sida leiriba reserve forest ki areas da leiriba uwa yanthatpana singba tawriba si Manipur government amasung forest department na akan mameng changbiu haiba wafam sini thamjari.
JSC against the custodial killing of police constable SM Manjur today condemned the police statement claiming that the police department recover letterheads of militant outfit KCP from the deceased room. The JSC said the claim by the police is a baseless allegation. The statement was broadcast in some local news channels yesterday during the prime time news items, said the JSC. Speaking to media person at Jennings Porompat Imphal East today, JSC co-convener K. Mira Saha lamented that neither the police department nor any law enforcing agencies have searched the deceased room till today and added that the key of the room is with the JSC. The JSC threatened that unless these demands are not made, they will not claim the body and will not hold any talks with the state government, even though post-mortem was conducted today at Jennings Morgue.
Mamangi Mars ki tang tarada ma suspend leirabani nandoga adusu nandogi phone da magi number si yawrom me habgi damakta hairi bisu yam chinganinga oi magi phone da magi number yawrom me habsu yam chinganinga oi suspend leiraba police personnel ama nandona 25 March ta mak nanthokra matung da 27 March ta mak phabani adugi mamang da kari interrogation tawdabano interrogation tawraba matung da logi matung ina mangonda pifam thokpa chairak kari mo mara leiradi pibi yadra aduga ngasi phawda until masi guilty ne na proof tawdir for the ma phabi abasunate adubu masagi moral evidence ama phawa hoju puthok tana marak sida cherak sida custody da ma ko hat ki baje masidi tasingna ikoina khangbangam de ikoina masidi hiram ama phoda ikoina compromise tawgi wakhal leite ikoina ngarang ji asina tankhirba demand pung kunmari ki manungda case asi CBI de sinaba postmortem ji asi gi miyo ani yauna HOD yauna video recording gi through the postmortem tawba aduga culprit che athuba matamda whoever is responsible IO ogera hariba case da chenari ba khudimak interrogation tawba da yawri ba khudimak masigi makok thongba police personnel khudimak officer khudimak book tawgada bani haiba demand sing se fulfill tawdri fo government ka wari su sanroi ekoi asiba su loro haiba demand sing asi hojik su ekoi masigi khongkhom ji hongkhiroi.
And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no
khudong chaba kaya ma pizari aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus amasung genset ni documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba aikoi gi sport servicing van adomgi damakta matam pungbada leijari bus sing yon madanatana school, college, universities, office ki tama contract basis da lawi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangdigani adom gi mai pak pana aikoi gi mai pak
nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthukjani hingliba singse mama amana bokpani mama do nupi ne habase kormal
nipa popsunati ipa numanga tawdna ari amada senting na bathabang adugi mohotane lai da kabu kudumama katlaga lushirga lo
aibu nangi angang longna thamba miro sene bangamdraga na nupi ni kai doino khongbandra kaino hundok chu kaino nangna na cha nupa am yawusinate do nangi nupi ma thirage dana leppe
piba amadi poktaba yadarane taunariba mayam chi khangedana
yengo na ngasimak yumji thado sakadamni bocho ba ngasi ne mai ka du solan chalo mase mahi laina longnar kani
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi kedo bokpiramino thado yadro
sagi sarang manungda imana kaya wana nang puduna chelaki imagi bema nang matik saba mi mati oidaba yadabani.
Nang tamo khaktani.
Nusidiye.
Phai. Nang ngasidigi ai amona uni di khallu.
Kadai satoiba?
Pakistan salaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino idi. Nang pelo duda. Nang honari do. Han balai tana dum honaga dabane. Kidoroge.
Nang yausiki wahaido. Karino khangdana thamoida pale.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯆꯅꯨ ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯣꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ
Advanced Coaching Institute Nagamapal Lamabam Laikai near Rims Road opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Loba class 12 ki parikha da 3rd position Yumnam Devjit, 9th position Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position Konika Nomaitem, 10th position Asem Korunganba, 10th position Laistam Imoba Maitai, 15th position Haubam Arvind Singh Amadi, 17th position da Sagol Sem Biki Singh ne. Arts stream da Anisaba position Takraba Takil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkom Gunchenba, 4th position Texam Zen Singh, 5th position Moirangthem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
lamjingbatomtv Limited ki members singda akaknaba matam kharakaki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan lawbiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lawbiba yagani akaknaba matam khara khaki oiba khudongchaba sing asi lawbiranaba members singda ningsingjari masiga loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingbatomtv Limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com website www.lamjingbatomtvlimited.com.
Welcome back. The Congress party today announced that party president Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from Wayanad Lok Sabha constituency on this second seat. Gandhi was named the candidate from Amethi in Uttar Pradesh in the first Congress list released earlier this month. Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said the idea is to send a message to southern states that the Congress respects their culture, language and tradition, and Gandhi will act as a bridge between North India and South India. Soon, Tamil Nadu and Kerala also made a similar demands for Rahul Gandhi to represent their states. In their support, Congress leaders from South India had pointed out that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also contested from Vadodara and Varanasi in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. On the other hand, Amit Shah speaking at an election rally in Dhampur, Uttar Pradesh, said Rahul Gandhi fled to Kerala because he would lose from Amethi this time. The BJP national president also accused Gandhi of disreputing Hindu religion. An Indian Air Force MiG-27 fighter jet crashed this morning in southern Rajasthan, Sirohi. However, the pilot ejected safely. The MiG-27 UPZ aircraft, an upgraded variant of the Soviet-era fighters, took off from Uttarlai Air Force Base in Burma. The pilot reported an engine problem and ejected at around 11:45 am in Godadana near Siogans in Sirohi, about 120 kilometers south of Jodhpur. A court of inquiry will probe the cause of the accident. Preliminary reports indicates no loss of property or life on ground. This is the 9th Indian Air Force crash in the quarter. The All Bador Students Union APSU celebrates the 63rd birth anniversary of the former president of the student body Upendranath Brahma today. The day is also celebrated as Student Day across the region. Upendranath Brahma, who is popularly known as Badofa, the father of the Bodos, is credited for having started the Bodoland movement, which is still going to this day. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. BJP presents itself as pro-development. CAB has nothing which may harm Northeast, says Madhav. Ibobi rebuff criminal cases charged, turns stable on BJP. Suspended constable dies in police custody. Rapist sentenced to 8 years in jail. MPP lashes bought BJP Congress. The People's Chronicle. Nando escapes, cop dies in grilling, JAC formed. AEP will make Manipur Singapore, says Ram Madhav. INC candidate Navakishore involved in fraud case. 24 ministers in Modi cabinet facing criminal trials. Imphal Free Press. Senior advocate Chandrajit and SP Jogesh Chandra tries to malign drug kingpin's trial, says judge. Drug kingpins Lokosai disappear from hospital, judge suspects foul play. Senior advocate and Imphal West SP came to NDPS court to withdraw charge sheet. Drug kingpins Lokosai Joe jumps bail. NDPS judge opines obstruction of justice, suspect vested political interest. The Morning Bell. Cop arrested in connection with escape of KCP Nando dies in custody. Bank urges ECI to deter Congress outer candidate from contesting election. Several BJP workers, including ex-ministers, joined Congress. Activist Urmila represents India at the 7th Asia-Pacific Youth for HARIPRIYA Summit 2019 in Taiwan.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. CID Special Bureau Inspector suspended over death of Police Constable Mohammad Manjuri Ahmed. Voters says views on strong and trustworthy political parties in free 4 Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. And Monica murder case cracked. Claim police man accused to be charge-sheeted. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.